Here's the thing, right? This means that we are doing all of our thinking up front. All of our analysis, all of our design work, all of our creativity, we are packing to the beginning of the project to be put away once we hit development. Why? Where's the money spent? In the back half, right? Starting with development, things start to get expensive. Okay, really expensive. So what do we ask people to do at the end of design? Sign off. Who do we ask to sign off? Bosses, right? Stakeholders, customers, however, right? Whoever's writing checks. We typically ask them to sign off. Here's the thing. We're asking the very people who have the accountability and the responsibility for change, the visibility to see it coming, we're saying stop doing that. We have just agreed to a scope, and I am going to go build now. The problem is that change is going to come about the second E in development. If you're lucky, right? Because change also comes in the second half of implement, and that gets a little bit awkward. Okay? And I'm not going to fool you into thinking that, yeah, it's easy to accept change then. But you know what? The stuff that comes then is the stuff you need to do.